Hey guys, this is Vince again. Practical Performance, second video for today. I'm going to dive into a bit more detail regarding the challenge for the convertible specific front gusset cups. You're viewing the bulkhead of the convertible. All of this structure here up this way is specific for the convertible. So you see you kind of have this extra thing going up and over and down. This surface right there is typically where the top of the standard front gusset cup, which we have there, sits. The top of the front mounts, which this sits on, is the center of it is sort of right behind this this crease, the edge here, somewhere in there, and under and behind this surface here. And this surface is where this surface typically sits, okay? So obviously you can't put a standard front gusset cup in there. So my plan is to create something similar, but that would attach to this surface here. Now, the challenge is, if you view that sort of, if I put it outside, again, the idea was to, just like with the standard gusset cup, drill from the underside up, and then using a guide rod, sort of drill down, we'll cut down with a hole saw, and sort of, you know, get something attached up there. My challenge right now, as I see it, is that we have this nut here in the structure, and it's going to be sort of inside of here as well if I use the same diameter and so on. This is for adding the, let's see, I have that over here. This, here we go. This additional, I don't know if it's just a cap, or actually probably adds some structural rigidity as well. So obviously this nut needs to be retained. Maybe I'll go ahead and cut and add some extra structure there as part of the gusset cup, and maybe, you know, with a welded on nut on the back side, or maybe you just use a nut, you know, reach in from that side. Not quite sure at this point, but it's turning out to be a little bit more of a challenge than I thought. So I'll check back with you guys later on. This is sort of a little bit of a teaser of this project. See you guys.